Tech spring compressor that we make here in Australia. Included with the machine when you purchase it for $792 retail price including GST is the jack, the rods of course, the pull-out pins and the plate. You also get two of the plastic inserts, which you'll see how they work in just a moment. You get two of those included with the jack, and they are to suit a range of different springs such as your WP off-road, your KOB shower off-road. You can go with your DDS K-Tech shocks or your Olin's shocks as well. You can purchase those extra. They are normally around about $80 including GST each. Today we have a K-Tech DDS light shock that we're going to change the spring over on for a customer, changing from a 95 to a 100 spring. We need to use the DDS insert, just sits on top like that. We've installed the shock and jacked it so we can remove the ring that holds the clip in place there. We can now drop that down very easily to there, remove it out to here. There we go. Take the little ring off here. There's the spring off like that. We change springs, the 100 back on, install the ring arrangement, put the insert back on, slide it back up in there, just centre it properly and reapply the tension, pumping it up. So we can now install the clip in its place. There it is right there. Oops. Clip installed. There you go, just make sure it's seated properly. So we can now install the clip in its place. There it is right there. Oops. Clip installed. There you go, just make sure it's seated properly. K-Tech DDS light fitted with a 100 Newton spring.